Hello everyone, my name is Harsha. In this video, we will look at how to operate a profometer. First of all, the profometer is a device that scans the rebar within RCC members. It consists of indicating device, cable, and universal probe attached to scan curve. We will now look at how to scan rebar with a profometer. To begin, a cable is used to connect the indicating device and universal probe. Now it's time to start the device. Now we will move the scan car over an RCC element that will be scanned for rebar. This demonstrates that the scan vehicle is parallel to the rebar. It can even be verified using the indicating device. The concrete cover is represented by this. This is the millimeter approximation of the bar's estimated diameter. I hope you now have a basic understanding of how to use profometer. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video.